Hi everybody. As you can see, I am outside of my garage. And by the way, as you can see up there, I have 2 Liftmasters. And I switched my code because my brother seemed to know it and he's just baby. And now he can open and close it. But if we come up here... Oh, and one thing to know about letters, you should never use that as a step. So since we're up here, yeah, you can see the learn button in there. Now we're going to get down. And we're going to look at our code. And by the way, we always have to test our code. Not testing code is bad. Don't do that. So you always have to test your code to make sure it works. And now I'm going to test my code. I hope you guys can see. There you go. That's my new code. It used to be 1, 2, 3, 4. But then I made it anew. And we're all set to go. And one thing that you can know about garages, you can push that one button and then make a different code for this garage. For that one right there. But there's my dad's car. Now I'm going to go back inside and end the video. Yeah, okay. So it's 0, 1, 1, 0. My code is 0110. Now nobody knows. And we're good to go. Okay? Bye, everybody.